Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to our unboxing video. This is the third one of this series. So today we have Avnet MSC SMARC starter kit that we are going to unbox. It's quite a big box with a lot of content. So let's get on with it. So first of all, there's a getting started document. And after that you see this same pink ESD stuff wrapped all over the box. First, when you open the box, you see the starter kit motherboard in an ESD bag. Let's open up the bag. And from inside the back, as you can see, this mini ITX sized starter kit motherboard where you can place the module in the middle of the board. So let's see what else we have here in the box. Beneath the motherboard there is screws to mount the module. Then there's a AC socket adapter, and also another one from the UK. AC power cord, just the basic power cord for EU area. Then here we can find AC power supply. And then we have the most important part here, and another ESD sealed bag. Let's open this up. Here you can find the heatsink for the module. And in another bag, this is the last one. You can find another heatsink for another type of modules. So basically what we have here is everything you need, and additionally you can choose the module that you can test in this board. And just to come back briefly with this board, there's a RS port here, VGA, DVI, HDMI, couple of Ethernets, USBs and audio. And then there's also PCI Express lane for additional card, and also mini PCI Express additional card placing in this board. Okay, thanks for watching. Let's see you soon. Bye bye.